Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach. Here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'm also sharing my investment journey with you. We're going to look at what is cryptocurrency, blockchain, and how does it affect us with tax. I also have a bonus for you guys where you can get your first free cryptocurrencies. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital coin. Now there is a lot of digital coins out there. As you can see, you get Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum, Dash, Doge, and a lot of other more coins. There's over 6,000 different cryptocurrencies that you can own today. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by a cryptography which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on a blockchain technology. This is a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So now you're wondering, what is blockchain? Now blockchain is actually a new method of record keeping. This is just like a ledger. This is a means of keeping a record of transactions. Now, instead of just one person having the record like the banks where it's centralized, with blockchain you have a lot of people keeping the record throughout the network as it's using a network of computers. Now, these people that has these computers are called miners. Now, the great thing is with this Bitcoin chain, this network of computers actually has an algorithm that needs to decide what is the true value. And if they all agree, that is the transaction that gets put into place. If there is a disagreement, that transaction is cancelled. That makes sure that whatever transaction is done shows on all the ledgers and all the ledgers agrees. Now, the great thing about blockchain technology is they want to be using this in the future for loads of other things, like if we're voting on anything, because that is something that you can't just hack. It's not centralized like any other system that we've got in the government at the moment. So if they want to have an election, all the votes can go into there and no one can hack the system to do anything illegal. And this will also help us to stop corruption. Now, I'm sure the other thing you are wondering is if you need to pay tax on Bitcoins. Now, just like with any stocks for capital gains, when you buy Bitcoins, you don't need to pay tax. You only start paying tax when you start coming to sell those Bitcoins. Now, in the UK at the moment, now in the year of 2020 to 2021, we have a capital gains. Now, if you sell cryptocurrencies and you earn more than 12,000 per year, you are going to pay a basic tax rate of 10%. And if you're on a higher tax bracket, you will pay 20% in additional taxes. So it might be difficult to track down who owns which Bitcoin wallet or who's the sender and receiver of a particular transaction by exploring the blockchain. But if you know the customer's wallet address and transaction history, courtesy of the exchange, then there is no anonymity whatsoever. If you don't pay tax on any Bitcoin or cryptocurrency that you are selling, you can be fined up to £1,000 in failing to file it on your tax returns. HMRC is clamping down on people not paying tax, so please make sure you get your stuff sorted out, because in the future HMRC will be getting all the information and you will be billed and fined for any taxes you haven't paid. So for today's bonus, it's all about getting your first free cryptocurrencies. Now, to get your free cryptocurrencies, you need to sign up for a CoinPot wallet. All you need to do is click here, register, type in your email address that you would like to use, a password, confirm your password, click I'm not a robot, click to confirm to terms and conditions. You can click there to go and read the terms and conditions and then click register, and you've signed up for your CoinPot wallet, and then you can get started. So it's really important to sign up for the CoinPot account first, because you will need that to be able to claim all your free cryptocurrencies. Now, if you didn't see it in the description, you can also see there's CoinPot and register first. So if you click there, it will also take you to the CoinPot, so where you can register for your account, because you need to have an account to get started. Now, as soon as you've created your account, you can come to the Moon Bitcoin. Now, with this one, you will be able to claim Bitcoins. So then you click sign in, you put in your email address that you've registered with CoinPot, click I'm not a robot, and then sometimes you get this one, sometimes it just ticks itself, no bikes, and then sign in. So here you will see you've got your faucet, referrals, offers, and sign out. So this is how much Bitcoin I've got in this faucet at the moment. So if we just close that one, yeah, you will see unfortunately there's ads on the site. So I've decided to do this on the computer, but I find it's a lot better on the phone. I usually do all of this on my phone. It gives me a lot less hassle than on a computer, but for recording purposes, I've done this on the computer. So then you just click I'm not a robot, just to prove that it's not automated, and then claim. Then on your claiming, you'll see this is how much Bitcoin you've claimed. Then you get a loyalty bonus. Now, for every day that you keep on claiming, if you do it every day, you get added on up to 100 days. So if you get 100 days in a row, that will be on 100. Now, I've lost my loyalty bonus due to starting work lately, and it's a physical job, so I was really tired and didn't do this, so I've lost that. Then there's a referral bonus if you refer friends, and then there's a mystery bonus as well. Now that can be anything from 1% to up to 100% as well. So for this one, unfortunately, I only got my 4, but it means I've moved it up to 30. So then I close that. Then I'll go into the next one, which is Dash. So you sign into that one. So this will look exactly the same. All the buttons are the same. So you claim that one. I'm not a robot. And palm trees. Crossroads. And then claim. So as you can see on this one, I've got 33 mystery bonus, so that's moved up the total amount I've received on this claim. So you can claim every 5 minutes on these sites, but you don't have to claim every 5 minutes. The longer you leave it, the more there is at a time to claim. But if you are really interested in having a lot more, then the more regularly you claim, the more you earn. So it's all depending on you if you would like to do it regularly or would you like to do it once a day. Because as long as you do it once in 24 hours, your loyalty bonus will stay there. But I'm going to show you what else you can do to earn a bit of extra money as well. Now, if you go to your CoinPot account, you will see all your wallets that you've got with the different currencies. Now, your CoinPot tokens, you get 3 tokens every time you claim on one of the faucets. Now, if you would like some extra cryptocurrency, you can go into the favorites bar where they have their stars. Now, here you can have a lot of different things you can claim for on a daily basis. And daily tasks like this one is for claiming on the faucet. So if you claim 100 times in one day, you get 100 tokens and so on and so forth. So I have received some of these in the past. Now there's monthly claims as well that you can do. There's all-time claims. So if you scroll down, you can see there's a lot of challenges for stuff you can do if you would like to earn extras. Now the great thing is, if you go back to your dashboard, you can swap and change. Let's say you don't want to get Bitcoins, you just want to work on Litecoins, Dodge or Dash. It's very easy to swap. So I'm going to use my Potcoin tokens to swap. Now I like to try and get my Bitcoin Cash up to 1 at the moment. So all you go do is convert tokens. It will take you to where you need to go. Then you select what it is you want. I want Bitcoin Cash. Then the maximum. So that usually puts in the maximum amount you can have. Now, if you have a look here, there's the conversion rate. So this is the amount of Bitcoins I would receive if I put it to Bitcoin Cash. If you put it to Bitcoin Core, you'll see how much you will receive. You can even have a look. You see, with this one, I actually received 3 Dodge, your Litecoin. So you can pick whichever one you want, but I'm going to do Bitcoin Cash. You put in your password and you convert, confirm. Now if that happens, I just take it down with 1 token and try again. And there you see. So now sometimes you will see it has to do with the fact that the current rate is not 100% easily swappable. So it does happen that there's tokens left over. So if you go back to your dashboard, you will see that my Bitcoin Cash has gotten more. Now you can do this the same. You can sell all the cryptocurrencies onto just one and just collect the one, or you can collect little bits of everything. It's entirely up to you. Now, I know if you have a look at this Bitcoin wallet, there isn't a lot of cryptocurrency amounts in here at the moment. It's not due to this is that all I've made since I've started this a couple of years ago. This is what's left in there at the moment. I do withdraw regularly from this account. Other accounts that I think is more secure, like Luno, and I've got Alcon Trader that I've used in South Africa as well. So as soon as I get close to the withdraw amounts, I usually withdraw my cryptocurrencies to my other wallets where I actually save them together. So this is not all I've made in the entire time, but this is what's in my wallet at the moment. So if you want to actually have a look, you can easily withdraw. If I want to withdraw my Dodge, I need a minimum of 50 Dodge in my account to be able to withdraw. Last time I checked, this was 100, so that actually means that's awesome. It means I can withdraw that 65 that's there at the moment. So it's easy to withdraw from the Potcoin account. I've done it countless times, and it's all my cryptocurrencies is in one of my other wallets that I used to have when I was in South Africa that I'm still having. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.